So yes guys, the matches that I had actually didn't work, so I'm going to use a smaller match to lit up the larger one, just like this. All right, yay. Okay, make sure that the match that you lit it up with is larger. Wow, look at that. This is actually so beautiful. I feel like it's definitely very well secured with this batten-like closure, so that definitely makes a difference. And again, I feel like instead of the candle, you can actually have a centerpiece like that. This is so festive, and yes, cannot wait to entertain the guests with a device like this. And yes, this is actually fire extinguisher, so let's see how this is gonna work. All right, it was easy. Let's see if it's still on or not. It's completely off, so I feel like it's definitely safe to use even indoors.